Hey, beautiful people. This is Coach Yoakum, and I'm here to help with 8th grade AMI Day 14. So, first thing I notice here is that we have a graph. The graph is velocity versus time. And then I'm going to go down here and start with the questions and see exactly what we need to know. Question 1 says, what is the difference between a scalar quantity and a vector quantity? I'm thinking that maybe that information is in the reading. Number 2, describe the quantity measured on the y-axis and its value, including units at a time of t equals 8 seconds. So I have to describe what this is. The y-axis is velocity, so I have to describe velocity, and then I have to calculate or determine the velocity at t equals 8 seconds on the graph. And finally, the last question says, what quantity does the entire graph represent? And I've given a hint out here. The hint says the y-axis represents velocity and the x-axis represents time. Look closely at the formulas to answer this question. And so I think the formulas will help you answer that question. Let's go ahead and read the prompt and let's see what information we can pull out. It says, although speed and velocity are often used interchangeably in everyday life, they represent different quantities in physics. In the United States, we mostly think of speed in miles per hour, or mph. This is the way the speed of a car is typically measured. Speed is a scalar quantity, meaning it only includes magnitude and not direction. In science and physics, the standard unit of measure for speed is generally meters per second, or m per s. Velocity is the rate of change in an object's position. Velocity is a vector quantity, meaning it includes both magnitude and direction. Velocity is represented by the formula. Here's the formula. Velocity equals the change in distance divided by the change in time. Acceleration is the measurement of change in an object's velocity. When you press down on the gas pedal in a car, the car surges forward, going faster and faster. This change in velocity is acceleration. The formula used for calculating acceleration is, here's the formula. Acceleration equals change in velocity divided by change in time. So, after reading the prompt and looking over the questions prior to, I noticed that these are definitely doable. They're in the prompt itself. You can use the information in the reading as well as the graph to answer questions 1, 2, and 3. And I hope that helps. Hope everyone is doing well. See ya.